Hey, hey everyone! It is Thursday, so we're getting ready to head out to the pool, and one of my favorite things is to bring food, okay? I love pool snacks. I don't know, let me know if you guys are like that as well. So I kind of came up with this idea that I was gonna try, and I was like, let me just pop on live and show you guys, and let's see if it works out. So let me know if you're watching this live, or let me know if you're watching this in replay. And we're gonna make some pool snacks, and we're gonna try and use our deluxe grill and griddle, which don't forget, it's $100 off this month. Just go click the link tree in my bio, you can get it for $100 off. But here's what we're gonna try, okay? We're gonna try and make some kind of like flatbread, ham and cheese, garlic parmesan, panini type thing. I normally bring like ham and cheese roll-ups, I bring like my own Uncrustables, I make little sandwiches. So I was like, I have these little flatbreads. You can get these at any grocery store, of course. If you've been following me, you know where these are from. These are from Aldi's. And little did I know, by the way, if you haven't seen it, type in Sun News Claudia's Cucina on Google, and apparently they liked my hack. So the simplest things go viral. I swear to God. It's never the things that I'm like, put all this effort in. I was like, this is going to be brilliant. Nobody likes it. The most simplest things, the best, right? So anyways, let me know what you guys are up to on this Thursday. I'm going to go ahead. It has the grill plates in here right now. So I'm just going to go ahead and click grill. Or, you know, let's do panini. I'm not really sure what the difference is. We're just going to go with panini. And, oops, there you go. I don't have that much space. So I got to make it work. And let this preheat, okay? So basically my idea is that I'm going to take this flatbread. These are really good. Let me get all this crinkling out of the way. So these are really good for some grilled pizza. So you can top these and then you can kind of let this hover. This does hover. This has different levels and stuff like that. So it can hover in different places. And then it's really good for just some normal grilled pizza. But I thought I was going to try and like close it and kind of make like a panini cheese type thing. Okay, so that's what we're trying. And then we're also gonna I'll show you a fun little way, something cute you can do with your apples, and a little tip to make sure they don't go bad. So I'm just using some turkey right here. You could of course do whatever you want, whatever your heart desires. Okay, you could turn this into a little pizza one, but my kids love turkey over ham, so that's what we're going with. You could add some pepperoni, but this is going to be pretty plain Jane for the kids. Okay, this would be great for their lunchbox as well, right? So just something different than the regular old sandwich. All right, so as you guys are popping in, let me know what you guys are up to this Thursday. Hi, thanks for popping in live. Hi Lisa, hi Carla. So might as well use all of it. Here we go, right? And then of course we're gonna shred our own cheese. Thought about using cheese slices, but I'm like, I think if I shred it, it's gonna melt better. So let me get a little towel so I can wipe my hands real quick. All right, and I might show you something that probably shouldn't show you yet, but I'm gonna use it, so I'm gonna talk about it. Okay, so I already have some pre-shredded cheese here that I did the other day, so we're gonna use that up as well, and then we're gonna add some mozzarella on top, and then we're gonna add something special, something new. All right. But you know what I love, guys? You know what I love is that I can make my own schedule. So I already did a lot of things. By 11:30, I probably did a lot more than the average person out there. But one of the things I love about my business is I get to make my own schedule. So on Thursdays, I get my stuff done really, really early, get all my work done, get it all out of the way so I can spend the rest of the day with my kids. I may have to come back in the office maybe a little bit later tonight just to finalize a few things, but then I'm done, right? So that's the cool thing about working from home. It's not an easy thing. A lot of people think it's easy. It's not easy, but it sure is a better way. All right, so I'm gonna shred my own cheese. As always, we're gonna use our cheese grater right here. We got a block of mozzarella, and we're gonna shred some. I probably don't need all of it, so we're just gonna do a little bit. And as you guys know, when you shred your own cheese, melts better in your food, right? It costs a lot less. If you haven't seen my cheese stick tip yet, go check it out on my TikTok. Make your own cheese sticks. That's a super fun, easy way to, you know, save some money as well. All right, so we got some cheese. Here we go. This is getting nice and warm. I think this is enough cheese right here. Or I might as well dump it all. Can you have too much cheese? Okay. Can you have, is there such thing? Let me know. Do you think there's too much, you can have too much cheese? Yes or no? I don't think so. Cheese makes everything better. Cheese with crackers, cheese on pizza, cheese in pasta, cheese in your salad. Hi Tammy, hi Rose, hi Liz, thanks for popping in. Okay, and then I'm gonna use something. I shouldn't be showing it to you yet because you can't buy it, but I was like, it's gonna go so well. So I always like to put some kind of seasoning. So coming September 1st, we now have a garlic Parmesan seasoning, which I'm super excited. So I thought this would be really good, kind of melted in with this like ham and cheese concoction. What is the English word? Something like that, right? So we're gonna put this on the bottom. You can hear the little sizzle, and then we're gonna put the other one on top. And then you can cut this in like triangles. I mean, honestly, maybe I should put some garlic Parmesan oil on here as well, but we're not gonna go crazy because my kids are playing Jane. All right, so we're gonna let this do its thing and do that, okay? The second thing I wanted to show you is every time I go to the pool, the beach, whatever, I always use my rectangular cool and serve tray. So once these are done and cooled off, I'll wrap them and put them in there. But I also, instead of using our apple wedger, which is great, there's nothing wrong with it, all right? Instead of using the apple wedger, I'm gonna use the Crinkle Cutter, and I'm gonna show you how to keep your apples from turning brown. So if you're getting ready to pack lunches for kids and stuff like that, this one just went viral for cutting the cheese sticks, right? So this is the Crinkle Cutter. You can get it in the link tree in my bio. I like to use it for all kinds of things. So I'm using it for apples right here because it just makes things look cute, okay? You can use this on your cucumbers. You can use it on your carrot sticks. You can use it, I'm sure something else. What else could we use this on? Definitely cheese. Cheese is my go-to for the Crinkle Cutter. It's the funniest little tool that you can use. Okay, so I just realized I put this bowl here and it has water in it. And I just put this in there. Okay, Claudia. All right, might need some more coffee today. But here's how you keep them from turning brown. So now they look super cute, right? Now you get these little crinkle cutters. And you know, if they look cute, they just taste better. Right? Don't you agree? If it looks cute, if it looks nice, it just tastes better. Probably not true, but that's what I tell myself. All right, so we got some of these. You could even do like choppy chops, like however you want to cut this, but just makes it fun, right? If you want to make your kids' lunches a little fun and not too boring, then you can spice it up with something like that. Okay, so here's how I keep them from turning brown. All right, let me know if you guys are popping on live, please. I would love to see who catches these live. Love the cheese stick tip. Yay, awesome. Sometimes I think it's the dumbest, smallest things, but you know what? I'm just gonna share. If you don't like it, you don't have to watch it. All right, so never too much cheese. Yes, I just started using it on pineapple. Yeah, love it. Awesome. Okay, so here's a bowl with some water. All right, here's what you do. You take a lemon. If you don't have a lemon, you can use like the lemon juice bottle. I don't really like that. I don't think it tastes like lemon at all. Or if you have like 7-Up or Sprite, you can also use a little bit of that, okay? So we're gonna put half of a lemon in here, okay? And now what you can do, let me make room here for all the stuff that I have. So much stuff. Okay, and now you can just dip your apples in this water lemon solution. Okay, and now they're not gonna go brown, okay? And it gives it a little slight lemon taste as well, okay? So I put this in way before it was ready because I got patience. And look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Now you can make your own bread, you can make your own dough. This is like a little life hack, little quick, easy hack. And this flatbread dough, I'm gonna give it like another minute. This flatbread dough is almost like a pizza dough, right? It turns nice and fluffy. So I'm gonna slice these up, put them in here. I'll show you the final results in my stories, but I'm gonna keep cutting these apples and get whatever else I can find ready for the pool and go out there and enjoy the last couple of weeks of summer. I know some of you guys are already back to school, right? Is anybody already back to school? South is back to school. Some people are already back, right? We don't go back till after Labor Day. What is your TikTok so I can watch your cheese sticks? So my TikTok is Claudia's Cucina. Claudia, if you want to say it in Italian, Claudia's Cucina, okay? And you should be able to find that. I do post them on Facebook Reels and Instagram Reels as well, but it doesn't seem so popular over there. All right, so let's look at it one more time, okay? Do we love it? Give me a 1 if you love this and this looks delicious. And don't forget the deluxe grill and griddle is $100 off this month. Just go to Linktree in my bio. If you want it for 60% off, message me 60% off, and we can talk about a virtual cooking party so you can earn it for 60% off. Looks so good. It's so like fluffy. All right, I'm gonna turn this off, let it do its thing, and keep it warm. All right, guys, have a great day. I'm off to the pool with the kids. It's actually not a bad day. It's not like 100 degrees, so we should be okay. So make it a great day. Ciao for now.